Welcome to Phoenix Trading. So here we are again seeing the Nifty outlook. Sorry, I was not available in last week, but nothing happened out of the equation actually. Before 2 weeks ago only, I told clearly that this is not the level to buy now, right? I was clearly mentioning don't create new positions in the market or be light on your positions, right? Because this is not the level I was expecting. And the support level was around 18,000 to 17,800, right? You can check my old videos. I have clearly draw this zone. And in fact, I have said that this trend line also acts as a support. So Nifty has a multiple support and it bounced exactly from the 17,000 around 800 levels, right? And currently Nifty trading around 18,000. I will take the SGX Nifty also. So futures are trading around 18,300, which is this level. That is a 50-day moving average also. So to continue the trend for the upside, Nifty has to close above its 50-day moving average, correct? So right now we got really good opportunities. So this is all the game of patience. You need to be patient in the market. You don't have to run away with the environment created for the short term. Like if you have seen the rally in the PSU banks, right? I have told you don't chase now because it's too away from its fair value now. Correct? Short term fair value. I'm not saying the intrinsic value of the particular share, but the short term index of PSU banks has a not fair value to buy for any swing trades. Yes, you can opt for investment in a systematic plan, but as a swing trader, I don't choose to trade such sectors which are already skyrocketed and into a very heavy overbought zone. So I was waited and I created two positions and I bought the Nifty Bs also for the long term because I invested my entire like things into index like funds only. I don't prefer stocks for the investment. I do trade, swing trade in the market, but I don't invest in the stock. I invest in the index fund, but I have my levels and I invest according to that level. So I have clearly mentioned this zone is a very good zone to enter now because your risk reward. See, the market is all about your risk reward. There is no high level or a low level or a expensive or a discounted. I like push these things many times to the students also. You just have to always think about the risk reward ratio. The person who was missed opportunity around 17,300 will feel that this level also high now because market is ran away till the 18,900. So he must be feeling, oh, this is a very costly and I should wait for my level, right? So he might think about that. But the person who entered in the market around 18,600, 18,900, he will think that market is in discount now and he will try to buy. Right? This is a phase in the market. People are coming, people are going out each and every day, each and every week, each and every month, each and every hour also, right? So, according to them, the positions are changed and the concept of the high lows also change according to the positions and the people's mindset. So right now, Nifty, let's talk about Nifty. Nifty is trading around 18,300 XGS, and I required like not me. As per my understanding, Nifty has to close its 50-day moving average on a weekly basis. Then only we can see the upside around the lifetime high. If if in a case this level get breached, then we can see another support here. This trend line will act as a support which is coming around 17,200. So mark this level 17,200. Okay. So now next support of Nifty is around 17,200 if the levels get breach of 18,000. So 18,000 is a psychological figure also. If it gets removed again, then we can see a little bit correction towards the 17,200. So this is for the Nifty. Bank Nifty also took exact support from the our zone. Like this is a thing I really like to trade, and short-term traders don't understand these things who are trading on the 5 minute time frames or 10 minute time frames. They get carried away and the noise in their mind increase because they are not seeing on the larger time frame. So those who waited for this correction, and it's a simple concept. This is not a rocket science actually, right? And Bank Nifty get breakout from here, and it ran away for like many days, but it has to come to it like 70 to 80% times breakout get retested, and that is the point where you need to enter. You don't have to chase these things because your risk reward will be very long. But from here, the risk is very limited and the reward is double, I guess, right? So our bank Nifty target of 47,000 is still not achieved and we are waiting for it. But yes, now this was the position like 4 or 5 days back. It was a really good opportunity to enter in the banking stock. So bank Nifty for me now, it has to cross this lifetime high. I will not trade till this level get removed. Till then, I will not enter if I want to do in any swing trades or any trades in the bank Nifty or a banking stock. I will wait to this level get removed, right? Otherwise, what can happen? Nifty again retest this level and again bank Nifty can go down. So we should wait for this level to get secure. Unless and until I will not trade because this is a no trading zone now. This was the opportunity around 14,700 and this is the opportunity after getting breakout from this level. Now this is a no trading zone for me. But yes, good thing is Bank Nifty regain its 50-day moving average. That is a good thing because in the past, if you can see, whenever Bank Nifty try to cross this level, so we get a really good run. So we might get another run from this level to the our target. So let's wait to the further development in the market. Today is Friday, so we will wait for Monday, Tuesday. Let's see what will happen now. Next sector is metal. Metal also took support on the 50-day moving average. So everything is going as per the plan. See, we get a good breakout from here, consolidation, then a good run. Again, market fell on the fear of the corona, and now it's joined its original trend. So this is the beauty of this choosing the strongest stock. I will show you one stock which I am holding on a swing trade. So, regardless of any fear in the market, it might get a little bit price correction or it might went into the consolidation zone. But shortly after the news get clear, it again regain its original trend. So that is a point of choosing the strongest stock in the sector. So you don't have to fear it always outperform. It will always outperform the market, regardless of anything, any news. Okay. Pharma is uh, up for few days, like on the news of Corona, but again it go back in the its original trend because its original trend is the downtrend. The lower high, lower low structure is now maintaining that, and I don't think so. This Corona thing is now fearful that much. It's just a hype for 2 3 days now, but the things are getting settling down now. So this is a important trend line for the pharma sector. If the pharma started trading below this level, then we can see this kind of target in the pharma. So for me, pharma is all about shorting now. Whenever I get rise in around this zone, I will try to short the pharma or I will try to sell. Okay. So this is for pharma. IT is going nowhere. It's just going sideways to the negative because the main trend is very negative. And as I said, I'm only long above this level. So this swing high is required for me to get cross unless and until I will not enter into the IT stock. I have clearly mentioned that. So I'm not having any trades in the IT right now. FMCG, after giving a good breakout, it again come back into this uh, consolidation zone. So I'm waiting to cross this level now to FMCG to create any positions in the market. So nothing into FMCG. Yes. Now there is an interesting thing in the mid cap sector. So mid cap has seen a furious selling. So I'm little concerned on mid cap as this selling is not looking good for me. Though Nifty is holding, but the mid cap selling is kind of giving that vibe that something is wrong in the market. Someone has know something, and I don't know, because this is the heaviest selling. If I count the percentage, it fell around 8%. It for index falling 8% in 3 days, it's a big thing. Yes, it's do record 4%, 5% in 3 4 days, but now again, it can be a sell on rise, and after breaching this 50-day moving average, it will retest again, and it might again go back to its previous support. So what is the previous support? It might be a heavy selling, more heavy selling we can see in the mid cap if Nifty 50-day moving average not regained. So more 12%, that will be a huge selling in the mid cap awaiting. So be careful while entering into mid cap stock or small cap stock. Sorry, it's a small cap sector. So be careful in the small cap sector, because in the selling, the worst sector for the losses is a small cap sector. It can hammer anything, because there is no much mutual fund holding or not much financial institutions holding in the small cap. Mostly it's all about retailers, right? Or the small firms that are holding the small cap stock. So yes, do quality small cap stocks is there, but most probably all stocks are very volatile, and you need to be very careful because the volume is also less in the small cap sector. So I am very watchful on this sector now. Auto sector has get good correction now, and it try to sustaining this support. It took support again, and I am waiting. If auto sector started trading on this level, then I will think about to buying any auto stock for a little small thing. Then the next sector is the PSU bank sector. PSU banks, we get a good correction, and exactly from the 50-day moving average, it bounced back. But we need to be careful, because now about this high only, I will try to take PSU banks, because still PSU banks are in really high valuations as per my thought, and I want that it should fall around this level. The PSU bank needs to retest this level. I'm waiting for this gap also to get filled. So anything around this level, I will try to enter. So till then I am waiting, or otherwise I will wait for this high to get reached. So there are these two levels to watch out, but right now I am not interested in PSU banks at all. Energy sector is purely into channels. Like it has created a multiple cap and handles, but now again it failed on the fear of this corona thing, and it is holding this support. And if this support gets breached, then we can see a major fall in the energy stocks, including the ONGC, Reliance, and everything. Right? So be careful on the energies also. I It will be a good if energy stock started trading on this level and then gave a breakout. So it's a wait and watch game in the energy stocks also in the coming week. Okay. Mid cap sector is after a heavy fall, it again like a small cap. It will retest the 50-day moving average, and it needs to trade above that. Like above this level, I will be interested in the mid cap, but it is looking better than the small cap. But yes, if that this level, this low is important now. If it gets removed, then we can see the fall deepen to this level, right? Around 10,300 index level. So that will be this level also of the previous breakout level. So mid cap can retest this level. So be careful in the mid cap and small cap specifically. Avoid pharma IT also. So all sectors are, apart from bank Nifty, all sectors are either into consolidation or into downtrend. So it will be a hard task for the day trader or the swing trader, and they should be keep aside from the market, try to be low on their position. India VIX is gaining a little volatility, but it's still under control. It's not anything to worry about, because this level will act as a resistance now, and we might again see some consolidation. So India VIX is not any concern right now. Yes, USD INR is a concern for me because it is keep rising and rising, and it's not good for a Indian market because it is ready for another breakout now because it is consolidation above this trend line now. So anyone who is trading USD INR, it's good. They have another trade. If this level get breached on the downside, they can go short, and if this box get breached on breakout on the upside, they can go long in the USD INR. So yes, that's it for the day, and I will show you one more chart that is a Kajaria. How the strong stock is behave when market get favorable, right? So after we entered around this level, 1000 around 1050 level we entered, and I averaged around this level also. And after a few days of run, uh, again Kajaria retested its 50-day moving average, and on the market fear also it failed. But now in the 3 4 days it ran a good like 7 6 7%. It gives a good rally, and it is resuming its old trend of the trending stock. And the volumes are really good whenever stock is picking up. So I am showing this only that you should pick the strongest stock of the strongest sector, which is trending currently. So all the ceramics stocks are doing good, and volume wise also I am very much we will see this on the weekly time frame. See this now. So this is a range it has created, and you can see a big tall green candle only. That is a white candle only. So this you can easily get that the strong stock is very strong. All red candles are range are very small, and the volumes are also not get like that much on the selling side. It's just a consolidation. So once this box, we get this box breakout, then we can see a good target around 1400 and 1300 and 1400. So this is my target level, and this is a T1 and this is a T2. So be careful, and yes, be light on the market because the market is very volatile, and you shouldn't be very aggressive at any point of time now. Okay. So yes, that's it for the day. And the new batches are starting since January 1st. I got a good inquiry and good response, and I am starting the new batch with the new chart and the new concept. So those who want to join, they can uh, direct message me. Okay. So thank you for watching. Have a nice weekend ahead. Bye bye.